My car four-wheel drive is not engaging. When I'm turning on the four-wheel drive, you can see the LED is flashing and the four-wheel drive is not engaging. Going from H4 to L4 is keep on beeping and there's something wrong. Underneath the car, we find the transfer case, and this is a four-wheel drive actuator. I have noticed there's a hose, broken hose, just sticking out, hanging like that. And from this angle, you can see this hose is connected to the transfer case, but on the other end, it's broken. It's not connected to the actuator. This hose should be connected to this port. But over time, this car is more than 15 years old almost. And these hoses made of rubber are deteriorating, breaking apart. I'm going to put this hose back in and tape it around with rubber tape. So I found some this kind of rubber tape. They're airtight, and I'm gonna wrap it around the connection point and then see if that can create enough vacuum for the actuator to work. Okay, I have set my car to four-wheel drive. You can see H4. And then you can see the four-wheel drive is now engaging. And all I have to do is to reconnect the hose and seal it up, make it airtight. I cut up some 1/4-inch vacuum tube and also purchased the connector assortment. So I'm using the 1/4-inch connector and there's a fresh new vacuum hose. This is the final result. I replaced with a 2-inch fresh new vacuum hose and a connector. This is the old line. Cut it up, replaced with a new hose with a connector. Thanks for watching.